everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at how OpusClip Pro works. Now, how does the OpusClip Pro work? Well, it works in 3 simple steps. To effectively use OpusClip step by step, follow this guide that will outline the process from signing up to creating and scheduling videos. Now, the first step is to import. You have to drop in a YouTube link, Zoom recording, MP4 or podcast file. And then the next step is to select. Let AI pick highlights or use clip anything to target moments, topics, or keywords. And the last step, style and polish. Apply brand kits, animated captions, export, or auto posts. Now, OpusClip features and everything you need to turn long videos into viral shorts. OpusClip packs everything you need to turn long videos into viral ready shorts in minutes. Use clip editing and variety score to instantly find the best hooks, then polish them with AI animated captions. Also reframe for 9:16, square or landscape and brand templates that lock in your logo, font, and colors. Add AI B-roll in one click. Fine-tune clips in the built-in editor and schedule posts across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels with the social scheduler. For pro workflows, export projects to Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Collaborate in a team workspace and keep every clip on brand and ready to publish without needing traditional editing skills. So if you want to know more, click on this. So you can clip anything. That is the fastest way to turn any video into viral shorts. Paste a link or upload a file and let OpusClip AI find the best hook, quotes, and punchlines for you. Just choose your favorite moments, tweak if needed, and publish. No matter scrubbing through timelines. To try it out, click here. So there are other features like animated captions. This is the fastest way to add animated captions. Also generate subtitles in seconds. Then style them with dynamic animations, colors, and fonts that match your brand to keep viewers engaged even with the sound off. You can try it by clicking here. Then we have the AI reframe, which is updated, where you can resize any video for every platform in one click. OpusClip automatically tracks faces and key subjects, then reframes your footage into vertical, square, or horizontal format, which is perfect for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and feed posts without re-editing from scratch. To try this, click here. So we have the next one, which is AI B-roll, where you can get relevant AI B-roll in one click under 1 minute. You break up talking head clips with smart on-topic visuals. OpusClip suggests an insert B-roll that matches your script, keeping your video dynamic and watchable. To try this, click here. Then we have the social scheduler. Here you can schedule a month's post to all platforms in 10 minutes. Turn finished clips into a complete content calendar. Queue and schedule videos to publish across your channel so you stay consistent even when you're busy. To try it, click here. Then we have the brand templates, where you can easily create and add brand templates in one click. Lock in your logo, colors, fonts, and caption styles once, then apply them to every new clip to keep your content instantly recognizable wherever it appears. To try this, click here. Then we have the editor, the all-in-one AI editor, where you need no editing skills. It doesn't require any editing skills at all. Here you can trim, resize, crop, add text, emojis, overlays, and more, all in a simple browser-based editor. Start with AI-generated clips, then polish them to perfection. To try video editor, click here. Then we also have the feature where you can export to XML. You can send your clips straight into Pro workflows. Export XML for Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve and keep every cut, caption, and timing intact. This is ideal for editors who want AI speed with full post-production control. To try this, click here. Then we have Team Workspace, where you can maximize your team's productivity with AI. Collaborate on the same projects, share templates, review clips, and manage multiple brands from one workspace. Built for agencies, studios, and growing creator teams. To try this, click here. Then we have the thumbnail generator, which is a new feature. Here you can drop a link and get YouTube thumbnails in one click. It helps you generate eye-catching thumbnails from your videos automatically. Customize the text and layout, then upload directly to YouTube for higher click-through rate. To try this, try the thumbnail generator by clicking here. Then we have the OpusClip solution. OpusClip is built for every team that lives on video, from solo creators to global media brands, where you can turn long-form content into high-performing shots tailored to your industry angles. To know more about this, come here and check through all of them. You can see. So that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.